Hello friends, welcome. Today we will discuss how to clean kitchen countertop by using natural materials. In case of kitchen countertop, it is not advisable to use chemicals-based cleaning material cleaning solutions. This is simple, safe and effective method. White vinegar. It is available in more or less all the supermarkets. Baking soda. It is available in our kitchen. Lemon essential oil. It is not compulsory, optional only, but not synthetic perfumes. Water, wiping towel, spray bottle. That's all. First, dilute white vinegar with water. 1:1 ratio is okay. If necessary, we can use undiluted white vinegar also. So take white vinegar in spray bottle and spray throughout the entire surface of the kitchen countertop. Wait for few minutes. Now what will happen? That is white vinegar. It is gentle acid and mild stain remover. It will dissolve all the dirt and grime on the surface of the kitchen countertop. But that few minutes we need to wait. Then we have to take the baking soda and we have to sprinkle it throughout the entire surface of the kitchen countertop. And then we have to wipe it with wiping towel. Now what will happen? Baking soda itself is a cleaning material, mild stain remover, so it will remove the dirt. Another thing, baking soda is an excellent deodorizer, so it will absorb the bad smell generally expected on the kitchen countertop. And then during this reaction, the reaction in between vinegar and baking soda, carbon dioxide gas will be released. So that releasement of gas also will take the part in cleaning process. Again, baking soda is a mild white colored powder, so having some rough structure. During the wiping process, it will improve the efficiency of the cleaning process. And finally, most importantly, baking soda is alkaline material, so it will neutralize the entire surface of the kitchen countertop. Because at first we are adding vinegar, acid, then we are adding baking soda, so both will be neutralized. So wipe gently throughout the counter surface. If necessary, you can repeat the process by using less amount of vinegar and less amount of baking soda. Then wipe or rinse with water. After the drying, you can use lemon essential oil to give extra coating. This is not compulsory. So this is the method for cleaning kitchen countertop by using natural materials. Thank you friends. For suggestions and feedbacks are welcome. We'll meet in our upcoming videos.